ballot initiative passes on November 5th, it will be challenged in the courts, because it's in direct conflict with the current rule from the DC Circuit Court that corporations and individuals have a right to contribute unlimited money to super PACs. But this legal battle is actually what Mainers are hoping for.
If it's challenged, it will then go to a court that's never considered the question, the First Circuit Court of Appeals. If that court says super PACs can be regulated, then it will get to the United States Supreme Court.
This sets the Supreme Court up to decide if unlimited donations to super PACs create a risk of quid pro quo and should be regulated.
So the argument that Maine will be making to the Chief Justice is, we want you to apply your principle to a set of facts you've never considered before. So your principle is, you can regulate where there's a risk of quid pro quo corruption. We say there's a risk of quid pro quo corruption, and what's our evidence of that risk? Well, let me show you Robert Menendez. Let me show you the charges against Donald Trump. Let me show you any number of cases where it's absolutely clear that you've got a quid pro quo involving a contribution to a super PAC.
Mainers get off the sofa and take action to do what needs to get done to solve a problem. If a neighbor needs help, you help your neighbor. If there's a problem in your school, you jump up and help the problem in your school. If there's a problem in your democracy because it's not working for you, you get up off the couch and you do something about it. And that's what Mainers have always done.
So they say, as Maine goes, so goes the nation. We've got a shot. Let's take it.